Hello all, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to talk about these two anti-dandruff products from Kesh&Nanda. So let's get started. So first let's talk about the hair oil. So here is the Kesh&Nanda anti-dandruff hair oil. Firstly we'll talk about the packaging. It comes in a glass bottle, not plastic, which is a very big plus point. Then it has a pump applicator which make it easier to take out the oil. You just need to press the pump and the oil will come out. So now if you see on the back side, it's written, it is a solarized herbal and organic blend of herbs and oils which gives your hair shine and bounce. It has a special blend will also act as a natural sunblock against UV rays, and it helps for the hair growth and keeps away the dandruff. Then it also shows how to use it. It's just written here, just warm the oil and apply. And then come to the main part, that is ingredients. It has burdock root, hibiscus, yarrow, neem, basil, ginseng, brahmi, ratanjot, bhringraj, calendula, lemongrass, castor oil, sunflower oil, olive oil, coconut oil and sesame oil. So it contains all the herbal stuff. And this bottle which I have bought is 100 ml. And if you see, it's mineral oil free, paraben free and 100% vegetarian. And the MRP is rupees 950 for 100 ml. So overall a very good organic stuff for your hair. Now let's talk about the hair mask. First let's talk about packaging. Kesh&Nanda team made sure that they provide their products in an eco-friendly way. Now look at this packaging. It's all paper cover. And inside if you see, there are packets, and depending upon your hair length you can use them. So this stuff contains all the organic antiseptic ingredients which are so good for your hair. They are 100% vegetarian and doesn't contain any parabens or mineral oils. This pack is a mix of an organic stuff which help in reducing dandruff. And also, as curly hair are more prone towards the buildup, this pack helps to prevent product buildup in the scalp, by which I mean it cleans the scalp and enhances the hair life. On the back side is given the direction for use. I generally use one packet with a curd and apply on the wet hair for about 30 minutes and then rinse it off. Now let's talk about the ingredients. So the first one is neem, amla, ginseng, brahmi, sandalwood, calendula, neutral henna and lemongrass. And don't worry, with the henna your hair will not get colored, it's just a neutral henna. So this is all about the hair mask. So these two are the stuff from Kesh&Nanda from anti-dandruff line which I use for my hair, and they are 100% vegetarian and doesn't contain any parabens, any artificial colors or mineral oils. I combine hair oil and hair pack to my hair care routine which have given me very good result. So now without further ado, let me show you how I use it. So here I will be showing small demo on how I apply Kesh&Nanda hair oil and hair mask. So let's start with the hair oil. As you can see, it's in a glass bottle and with a pump applicator. With this pump applicator, it becomes easy to take out the oil from the bottle, as you can see here. Now lukewarm the oil and apply gently to your hairs and roots. Make sure you apply the oil to the hair ends as well. Now gently massage your hair for at least 5 minutes. Now tie your hair in a bun and keep it overnight or at least for 2 hours. Now as you see here, I have washed my hair with a mild shampoo and they are wet. And next, I'm gonna apply Kesh&Nanda Anti-Dandruff Hair Mask. As you open the packet, there you see pouches of hair mask, which make it very easy to understand how much quantity you need for your hair. Now in a bowl, I have taken a curd approximately 5 tablespoons and will add 1 pouch of hair mask in it. Mix these two very well and make it in a smooth paste. So our final hair mask is ready, and now I'll apply it on my hair. So I have applied the mask on the hair as well as on the roots and to the end, and now I have to wait for 30 minutes. So this is a demo for hair mask and hair oil.